Hi everyone, my name is Shelby and welcome to Lightworks Yoga. So today we'll be moving through a simple but yet powerful breath technique called 4-7-8. This is a very simple but yet effective breath technique that can better sleep, reduce anxiety and depression, and also help improve your cardiovascular health. So wherever you are, I'm going to give you all a few more moments to just get settled in here. And you can either find a comfortable seated position, either on your chair or simply on the ground, a blanket or a yoga mat. And if you're in a chair, go ahead and gently relax both feet on the ground below you. If you're sitting on the floor or on a yoga mat, find a simple cross-legged position or a half lotus pose. Bring both palms face down on our knees in order to ground us here in this space. Simply start to become aware of each breath. The sensations of each inhale as the air travels through the nose, down the throat, and rest deep within your lower belly. The sensations of each exhale as these air travels from your lower belly, through the heart, the throat, and slow and controlled out the nose. Start to relax all of the muscles within your face even more than before. Letting go of any tension or holdings throughout your entire body. Relaxing your forehead, your jaw, shoulders, belly. Just allowing your entire body to relax on your next exhale. And throughout this powerful breathwork practice, we'll be inhaling for a count of 4, holding for a count of 7, and exhaling for a count of 8. We're going to open up this practice with a deep cleansing breath, inhaling through the nose, filling up your belly all the way up to the top. Your spine is rising up slightly. And exhale, open mouth, let that breath go. Let's begin. Inhale for a count of 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And repeat this a few more times completely on your own. Allow presence to be your anchor and your breath to become your guide. Just a few more gentle breaths. Really feeling into each and every single breath, the expansion and the contraction of your lungs and your belly. Relax the muscles of your face. And wherever you are, go ahead and bring your left palm down to your lower belly. Right palm gently goes over your heart center. Let go of all doing with your breath. And just observe and feel what is there. Observing and feeling. Take one more deep breath in, inhaling into the lowest parts of your belly, rising up. And exhale, open mouth, let that breath go. We're going to close out this practice with one deep cleansing breath, inhaling through the nose and exhaling as you sigh out the mouth. Exhale all of the air out of your body completely. Seal your lips, inhale through your nose, fill up your lower belly for 1, 2, 3. Hold that breath at the top. Exhale, open mouth, let that breath go. 3, 2, and 1. Allow your palms to gently float down onto your knees. And whenever you're ready, just slowly open up your eyes. Soften your gaze. Thank you all so much for joining me here in this space. From my heart to yours. Namaste.